Let the diversions begin. They're trying to catch the light.
I know, but you can't do it, boys. You can't catch light.
I should like to comment. Summon the apparatus. L. O. L.
Laugh out loud. Yeah, that's what I did.
This year,
Have you ever seen it like this before?
Never.
the magic that brought them to life is running out.
Teddy and Dexter, they're all acting weird.
What are you doing? I don't think it was his fault.
Oh, I'm Larry. I'll never blame a monkey daily.
And he has one night
These guys depend on me.
to save them all.
Everything might stop and it may never come back.
We have to go to London to figure this out.
You know you'd be lost without us, Gigantor. Hold me.
Hello, welcome to the British Museum.
I'm Larry Daly from Natural History New York.
That must be like Wild Wicked being a security guard in America. With your gun, with the silencer, with your ninja swords.
That's not even a little bit true. Teddy, good man having a crisis.
Attila, okay? A little muscle. Dada! No, I'm not your Dada. Yes, we look similar. Dada. No touching. Stop it. This place is waking up for the first time, and we have no idea what's out there.
I think it's safe to say that we're in a bit of trouble.
I need some help.
Sir Lancelot.
At your service.
Theodore Roosevelt, President of the United States. I have no idea what that means.
You shall all be dead by sunrise, never to breathe life again.
Huns don't hyperventilate.
This is the last roundup!
I'm both disgusted and grateful.
Come on! That wasn't necessary!
You always put the monkey in charge?
Oh, he's not in charge. We're just following him.
That's what being in charge means.
Never run from a big cat, Lawrence.
You can't ambush me with that kind of cute!
Night at the museum, secret of the tomb.
You know what you have to do? Stay. That's right. Just make sure she stays in there.
You better let me out. What are you staring at? What, have you never seen like a gorgeous woman before who could be a model if she didn't love pizza so much?